Hello and welcome to the installation guide for the gas strut for the Skoda Elroq. The gas strut is always the same for the Elroq, the Elroq up to 2025 and the Elroq up 2025. That's why we're simply going to show another video we've already made. For the last time, we'll need this hood support rod. First, let's show which components are included in the kit. I've now laid out the parts here. Of course, there's the gas strut itself with the attached ball studs or ball sockets. There's also a mounting bracket with a slotted hole and the attached ball stud. A ball stud with M6 thread and a washer. For installation, you'll need 3 open-end wrenches in sizes 10, 12 and 13. And for removal, if you ever want to take out the gas strut again, a flathead screwdriver. Now let me show you how this can be done easily and in just a few minutes. These 2 mounting points, one on the hood and one on the strut tower, are quite suitable for attaching the gas strut. We'll start with the mounting point on the strut tower. To do this, simply use the open-end wrench size 13 to loosen the front bolt. It's usually screwed in only lightly and can be loosened quite easily. Then, carefully position the bracket with the ball stud at a slight angle, ensuring it is properly aligned. And use the same bolt to secure it. The bracket is positioned so that the elongated hole, or the bracket, rests against the rear bolt and, angled slightly backward, it wedges itself between the bolt and the strut tower. This way it is installed in a way that prevents it from twisting. Tighten it again with a 13mm open-end wrench. Alright, then let's move on to the second part. Using a size 10 open-end wrench, we loosen this bolt. Please carefully remove this bolt and set it aside afterwards. We won't need it anymore. You'll only need it again if you ever want to remove the gas strut again. Next, take the ball stud. With the M6 thread and the washer, carefully screw it into this thread. Then, using a size 12 open-end wrench, carefully tighten it in place. Not too tight. About 6 to 7 Newton meters. Alright, now we take the gas strut. The gas strut is simply placed on and clicked in, with the piston side always facing downwards, or rather, at the spot where the frunk sticker is located, simply push it on and press down firmly and it will hold in place. Then, you first have to carefully remove the hood prop rod from the hood. After that, you put the ball stud back on, and that's it. Put away the tools and the gas strut is installed. At first it might be a bit stiff, but after a few movements it gets better and easier. That's all there is to it. Have fun with your gas strut. Yours, Joseph from Frank Company.